Tucked away in a secluded cul-de-sac on St. John's South Shore is Waterfall, a spectacular 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath luxury villa with breathtaking views of the tranquil turquoise waters of Fish Bay and beyond, all the way to St. Croix. With its dazzling all-white exterior, classical design, and light and airy interior, Waterfall evokes visions of Santorini and Provence. The centerpiece of this romantic and elegant villa is its solar-heated infinity edge pool at 12 by 30 feet, one of St. John's largest, complete with, of course, a waterfall. Totally surrounded by lush tropical landscaping, Waterfall is a private sanctuary that makes you truly feel away from it all, yet is conveniently just a short 10-minute drive to the town of Cruz Bay with its restaurants and shops. Waterfall is a destination villa which guests often find difficult to leave, despite the lure of the gorgeous national park beaches and all the adventure activities St. John has to offer. Relax in the 6-person poolside spa or the comfortable shaded veranda and contemplate dining under the stars in the magical dining gazebo, also perfect for intimate weddings, all on one expansive level, a rarity on hilly St. John. On the inside, Waterfall is beautifully decorated with sophisticated yet comfortable furnishings, original art, and whimsical artifacts. The kitchen is a fully equipped chef's dream featuring Brazilian golden peach granite countertops. All 3 air-conditioned bedrooms are equal-sized with ensuite baths, flat-screen TVs, and king-size beds with pillow-top mattresses, 2 of which are convertible to twin beds. The bathrooms feature rose marble, double vanities, and spacious Italian tile showers. 2 bedrooms are on the main floor and a 3rd on the private lower level, accessed via the pool deck or curved staircase direct from the main entrance. The master bedroom's bed is placed squarely in the center of the room to take full advantage of the exquisite views of Fish Bay. Specially designed clear railings keep the view unobstructed. If exercise calls, head downstairs to the air-conditioned gym with treadmill, exercycle, flat-screen TV, and refrigerator for your cool drinks. For those who simply can't tear themselves away from the world, a fully equipped air-conditioned office with whole house Wi-Fi is available. And if one of the island's frequent power outages occurs, rely on Waterfall's large automatic 28 kilowatt generator to keep everything functioning smoothly. Waterfall is also fully handicapped accessible from the driveway to the main level. Peace, privacy, comfort, and romance with amenities galore. This is Waterfall Villa. The hardest part is saying goodbye.